Hello, my name is Eric Colgrove from the National Renewable Energy Lab, NREL, in the United States. I'm one of the organizers of Symposium EN02, Thin Film Compound Semiconductor Photovoltaics, for the 2023 MRS Spring Meeting. As aggressive decarbonization goals are set around the world, it is important that we maintain a pipeline of high-performance photovoltaic or PV materials, both well-known and novel, to meet growing demand. Thin film compound semiconductor PV materials are well suited to help meet this demand as they continue to demonstrate their potential for generating sustainable and cost-efficient electrical energy. Both fundamental understanding and process techniques have enabled advantages in manufacturing and materials cost, with power conversion efficiencies now above 20%. But cutting-edge materials research is still needed for these technologies to flourish. PV materials particularly relevant to this symposium include those based on chalcogenide semiconductors such as copper indium gallium diselenide, CIGS, and cadmium telluride, CadTel, as well as associated alloys, their heterojunction partner materials, and buffer layers. We will focus on the science and technology of polycrystalline films, single crystal model systems, defects, interfaces, and the interplay of materials and band structure, characterization methods, modeling, scaling, and advanced manufacturing. Emerging areas of research include materials science of degradation, understanding the roles of passivation and compensation, reducing interface and grain boundary recombination, as well as tandem, bifacial, and semi-transparent devices. Novel absorber materials, their heterojunction partner layers, and semi-transparent absorber layers are also of high interest. MRS meetings are intended to facilitate interdisciplinary networking and scientific exchange, highlighting cutting-edge topics in materials research and technology. And we hope to achieve that with this symposium on thin film compound semiconductor photovoltaics. I hope you will join us next spring. Thank you.